Hi, so welcome to another unboxing. So first of all, tilt your screen to landscape view because this one's gonna be landscape because like the box is more rectangular. So yeah, so this is the unboxing for Poems for Autumn first pre-order. So let's start unboxing. So there's actually two pre-orders, Poems for Autumn. So this is like the first one. Okay, so let's start this. They sent a message. Hi Anisha, thank you so much for organizing this go. Stay safe and we hope to work with you again in the future. Enjoy the freebies, Monday Studio. See what they sent. Oh, they sent Supreme dollar bills. These, and then they send these stickers. And they send this card. Serendipity sticker. So put this back in and get this rid of. So these must be like the cup sleeve items. So I'll open this. Give me a second. Okay, so I opened these. So these are actually the pin buttons. So there's supposed to be 12 pin buttons, as there were 12 fan pack orders. Now you'll get a random designed pin button. These are like the 4 designs. I'll show you guys just a second. These are like focus and playlist. This one. And this one. So these 4 are the pin button designs, but you'll only be getting one of these. Yeah, so if you ordered 1 fan pack, you'll get a random one. If you ordered 2, I'll make sure you guys don't get the same ones. Okay, so let's put this back. So this was the pin buttons. Now moving on to the postcards. You get like 2 postcards. You get these 2 postcards. So you get like 2 of these postcards with each fan pack. Actually no, you guys get actually 1 random postcard with each fan pack. If you get 2 fan packs, I'll make sure you get like 1 of each. So yeah. Let's put it back in. Now the other items in this was the lenticular card. So this is actually the lenticular card. There are sad days, gloomy days, days where something seems right, feel there where nothing seems right, where you feel like giving up, but remember you're important. And ... So this is the lenticular card. So let's put this also back in. Let's seal this back. Next, moving on to the cup sleeves. So, this is how the cup sleeve looks. Oh, it's a bit bent. The cup sleeves are a bit bent. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Oh wow. They're a bit bent. Like, not so much, but like slightly. Okay then. Moving on. Now, these are the face masks. So there's actually 4 of them. So let me just show you guys one of them. I cannot open it as it would contaminate it, but yeah, this is the face mask. Next, there were 4 postcard sets, so I'll show you guys the postcards. This is how they were packed. So let's open it. So like that, these are the 5 postcards. Go inside. They're done. Here you go. So those are like 4 postcards. So yeah. Next is like the bracelet. So you get like this card that says, "It shall pass someday, surely without doubt." And this is your bracelet's charm. It's pretty small. There you go, you can see it now. Yeah, so this is the bracelet. So that's not mine, I don't want to open it. So yeah. And then this is like the polishing cloth that comes with the bracelet. So, yeah. And this is like the keyring. The wooden keyring. You make live to a love. I learn things to you. Why a person should live by loving. This is the wooden keyring. 난 그냥 사랑. Putting it back inside. These are the coasters. There's like 3 of them. I'll open one of them. They come in this canvas pouch. This is one of this is mine, so I'll open this. I really like this material. It's wood. It's like engraved in the wood, so yeah. Pretty. him. So the only, oh wait, it didn't come like that, so. Put it like this. Lastly, the washi tapes. Now there's like 8 of them. I'll show you guys just one. I want to get focus. Ah, there you go. So yeah, I want to open this and show you guys like how one whole spread would be, but then that would take time, so maybe I'll upload a picture later. Yeah. So yes. So this concludes like the entire unboxing. There is not much to see. There's like the postcards, and there's like the masks. Wait, okay. And then there's like the keyring. There's like the bracelet and the wiping cloth. The bracelet's kind of like small. Like the charm is very small. I was not expecting it to be so small. And then this has like the fan pack batting pins. And this one has like the postcards and the anti-color cards. And a freebie. Like the cup sleeves. And this, my friends, was like the entire mono package. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.